In the past, the idea of making things using digital information was considered a purely industrial process and reserved for manufacturing industries rather than craft workshops and studios. We can trace our understanding of programmable machines back to ancient Greek automata, but more recently, the various stages of the Industrial Revolution have led to their use in mass manufacture. Although there are examples of automated machinery from the Victorian period, our understanding of digital manufacturing, as it is today, started in the late 1940s at MIT with the development of numerical control machining. This equipment allowed a manufacturing program to be run through the use of punch cards, later rolls of punch tape, and translated and repeated on machines in workshops around the world. With the proliferation of computing in the late 1950s and early 1960s, this evolved to instruction sets being presented to the machine on magnetic tape and added the letter C for computer to the acronym, thus giving us CNC. With the rise of personal computing and an increase of the use of CAD within design and drafting departments, CNC became a part of many small to medium-sized manufacturing companies and no longer the preserve of global conglomerates with multi-million euro production lines. However, the democratization of these tools really came about in the past 10 years as the maker movement, coupled with low-cost digital manufacturing equipment spurred on by university research projects like RepRap, allowed home hobbyists and craftspeople the opportunity to interact, use, and develop digital tools. This has spurred on an improvement and simplification of the process of translating digital designs to machine-understandable code, shortening the time and resources required to turn a design into a manufactured piece. As a craftsperson, one of the simplest ways to consider the use of digital making in your process is to consider the tool a faithful apprentice who carefully follows your instructions repeatedly. The digital tools available can produce parts that are easily repeatable, and additionally can increase the accuracy of parts in some processes. However, the digital manufacturing process is not likely able to replicate every part of your workflow, but may free you up to work on different, more valuable areas of your craft. Alternatively, it may open up the ability to experiment and create new paradigms within your medium and allow your work to further stand out as being different and special. Digital making is not a replacement of the human within the production process. Just like with any tool, there are benefits and drawbacks to inclusion in your workflow, and a new skill set, and more importantly, practice, is required to fully realize any benefits.